Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be fixing this 2018 DAF LF. As you can see, it's been hit down the front. That door don't fit anymore in that hole, and I think that post is pushed back a bit. As you can see, that door there is overlapping that post anyway, that front corner, and no gap under there. So I think what we're going to do, we're going to take the cab off. We already had the window screen paper here and took the screen out and stripped obviously the front to take the screen out. What I'm going to do, I'm going to strip a bit more down the bottom, and I think I might just take the cab off and put it on the jig. So let's do it. Alright guys, I've got a strip down the front, pretty much ready to take this cab off. But before I take the cab off, I've got this potter power inside there. Just try to push this post forward, because I've measured the other side, it's 88.6 from this point to that point there, and on this, obviously on this side it's 88.5, 86.5. So it's about 21 mil different. If I do it with this potter power, hopefully I won't take the cab off. But as you can see, this post is dented here and it's deformed in there. So I'll probably have to cut it down there, and take this section post off to reshape and weld it back in. If this goes back forward, as you can see in the front, there's a bit of a crease there in that post, and there's one in there as well. So I will try push this forward with this potter power. If it works, we'll see. So let's do it. Okay, the cab is off. We took the cab off because, like, I tried with the potter power, but it didn't really work. I didn't really want to go and didn't want to make any more damage. As you can see, very little engine, to be honest, for this kind of vehicle, but I think that's how they are, 4 cylinders, some kind of engine. Little ones comparing to the big trucks. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just get this cab, probably put it somewhere in a different corner, and go from there, because as you saw, that corner is all bent, and I will probably put the clamp in there and give it a pull and square it up, because I tried with the potter power from that corner there to there, but it starts squashing this panel up there. I don't want to make any more damage, and it's obviously better and safer for me to do it. So let's crack on with it. Okay, the tower is off. That means the pulling is finished and this post is pretty much fixed. And the measurement from there to there is spot on, the same as the other side, 88.6. So technically the door should fit, so I'm gonna have a door on, try the brand new door on, and that corner deflector there. Make sure everything lines up, then we can get this to the paint shop. So let's do it. Right guys, the door is on. I've even stripped the old one to take the handle and the lock, just to make sure we're going to lock the door, and that's what I did. And it fits pretty good, to be honest. It's pretty good all the way around, apart of here in the yeah, there's a gap there for some reason, so I need to get this panel out a bit. Basically what I need to do is just get this rubber, this panel here pulled out a bit there, because I can see it's a bit like a bone, a bit, just needs to pull it out. So let's do it. Alright guys, all sorted. The door's fitting pretty good now. As you can see, the gaps all the way around are pretty even and nice. So that's what I did. And when I pulled it there, that gap there is, the rubber is nice and tight now, all the way around. And even throw this corner pod on just to try it, to make sure the gaps, everything's alright. I have to adjust a few brackets there. Sorted all that out, and now I think it's ready for paint shop, so let's do it. Okay, cab is all painted. We already put the cab back together all inside. The door is on. Just a few wires have to go through the outside to there. The door card bit, but I think we're ready to put this cab on the chassis now, so I think I'm gonna do it. So let's do it. Alright guys, we're all done on this one. Come out beautifully, nice little job. I hope you enjoyed it to watch it, because it's shorter than a normal video. And as you can see here, all painted. We painted the whole side. We still got the battery on charge. It's a bit flat because it's been stood outside for a month or two, something like that, waiting for go ahead. And how much does it cost? I don't know, but easy 5 grand I would say. I think the parts I've seen it was 3,400. So I would say the 5 grand, I'm guessing, to be honest. And I was easy 50 hours on it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.